Israeli bombs are raining down on Gaza City, forcing thousands of Palestinians to flee, as at least 91 people were killed. The Israeli army intensified its offensive, destroying residential buildings and infrastructure. Reports of displacement and destruction continue to escalate, with fears of a worsening humanitarian crisis. International condemnation of Israel's actions is growing, calling for an end to the violence and a return to negotiation. The situation in Gaza remains dire, as the conflict shows no signs of abating.